Hi viewers, in the first and second lecture we discussed about the input and output statements in C++ programming. So in this lecture we will enter into object-oriented concepts. So we will start with how to create class and how to create method inside the class and how to call the particular method by creating object. So let's go into the program. So for this particular program, I will create a class and a method. Inside the method, I will just display a statement. And after that, I will create object for that particular class. With use of that object, I will call the method. So let's start the program. So here hash include, I'm including the first header file, that is to be iostream.h. So this particular header file is used to support input and output functions in C++ programming. So next to that, we are having the second header file, that is to be hash include conao.h. This particular header file used to support clear screen and getch functions in C++ programming. So next to that, I am just giving class. So class is a special reserved word in C++ programming. Special reserved word mean by it will not be used as a class name or a method name or a variable name. So class, I am just giving the class name as way to program. So this is my class name. So just opening the particular class. Here I have to give the uh, second part, that is to be what type of accessibility I want to give for the methods and variables what I'm going to create inside. So I have to give public access. So I'm just giving public colon. So when you're giving public colon, the particular methods or variables what you're creating after the public, it will be accessible anywhere in the program. So we can able to access the variables and methods anywhere in the program. So here next to that, I'm creating the method. So my method is void display. So void display is my method. So inside the method, I going to make a cout statement. With use of cout statement, I am just stating that the statement, hi, this is my third program. So this is the statement I am making inside the cout. So I am closing the particular method. Next to that, I am closing the class. Okay, whenever you are closing the class in C++ programming, you have to give semicolon. Okay, this is very important. This is only in C++ programming. Okay, so next to that, I am just giving void main. So in void main, what I want to create, I have to create object for the class. How to create object for the class? We have to give class name. So what is my class name? My class name is way to program. So after giving the class name, we have to give the object name. So object name is user defined name. You can give whatever the name you want, such as class name. So class name we gave the user defined name. No, way to program is a user defined name. Like that, whatever the class name you want to create, that you can create. So the same way to create object, class name space object name. So class name is way to program for us. The object name is I am creating as obj. So this is my object name. So after doing this particular process, what I'm going to do is I going to call the particular method what I created inside the class way to program. So I'm just giving obj dot method name. So what is my method name? My method name is display. So this is the way I have to call the method from the main function. So for creating object, I have to give class name space object name, and next to that, to call the method, I have to give object name dot method name. So object name is obj and my method name is display, so that I am giving like this. So next to that, I am giving get ch. So the same way what the methods we used in the previous programs, we have to give it like this. So here, before creation of the object, I have to give clear screen clrs cr. So that is used to clear the previous outputs in the output screen, and it's used to just display the current output in the output screen. Okay, so now I am done with my program. So I created the class named as way to program, and I create public access specifier, and next to that we are creating the method, and inside the method we are just displaying a statement and closing the method, closing the class, starting with the main function. So next to that we are just using clear screen method that is used to clear the previous outputs, and then I'm creating object for the class. So the class name is way to program and object name is obj, and with use of that object I am just calling the display method is in the class way to program. So this method is called with use of the class object, so way to program object, so obj dot display. So next to that I am using getch to display my output. Okay, so after this I am saving the program, I am just giving save as. So here I am giving my displayers class eg as my file name, so class eg.cpp. So this is my file name. So clicking ok, the file got saved. Now I going to compile my program, click compile. So you are not having any errors or warnings, so that you can go for run. So let's click on run and run the program. You can able to see the output here. So the output got displayed. I hope you can able to see the output. Hi, this is my third program, that's the output I am getting in my output screen. So that we got the output. So I'm very much happy to make this particular video. So please subscribe, share, and share whatever friends you are having, whatever neighbors those who are want to learn C++ programming. Thank you, happy learning. Thank you.